Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video I'm going to be creating a makeup look with the brand new Urban Decay Naked Ultraviolet palette, and this tutorial is also sponsored by Look Fantastic, so thank you so much to them for sponsoring today's video, and they were also kind enough to give me a lovely discount code for you guys as well, so that will all be in the description below. But if you want to see how I got this makeup look, then just stay tuned. Okay guys, so I think I'm first going to start off with a wee bit of skincare. I did actually get a load of sheet masks from Look Fantastic as well. I have 5 here. 6, I can't count. 6 that I got here are from the brand Holika, and I got a Pure Essence lemon sheet mask. I have to say I have actually tried lemon sheet masks before and they are so good. Lemon kind of reminds me of like cleaning products. I don't know, but in your skincare it just smells so good, so fresh. It just kind of makes your skin feel so rejuvenated and refreshed and alive. So I absolutely love lemon sheet masks. Is that acai berry or aki berry? We're just going to call it aki berry. And then I have strawberry. Strawberry sounds good. I'm really looking forward to trying this one. And then we have a pearl sheet mask, cucumber, and shea butter. So yeah, I might actually just try the lemon one for now. I obviously have my wig on today because guys, you should see my hair. My hair has really washed out. Obviously I did colour it orange not that long ago and it's really washed out. I'm nearly blonde again and I got my hair cut. So my hair is really short. So yeah, I absolutely hate it. So I'm just gonna clip my hair back obviously so I can use this wee mask. In case you weren't aware, Holika is actually a Korean skincare brand. So just down here at the bottom is the English, by the way, because yeah, I don't really know Korean. So it just says here, after washing your face, apply toner to tidy up skin texture. That's literally what it says, to tidy up skin texture. So funny. Take the mask out, place it on the face, blah 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 blah, leave on for 10 to 20 minutes. Yeah, I don't have time for that, so I'm gonna go for 10. Oh, it smells so good. Do you know what it smells like? Lemon Skittles. Good at the minute that I kind of feel guilty that I'm now going to go in with a load of makeup, but oh well. I also got the Daly Beauty Elixir. This is a new one that I just got off Look Fantastic. If you guys watch my channel religiously, you would know that I absolutely love this product. It is just absolutely amazing. Wee skincare spray. It's not for makeup or anything, it is skincare spray, but it just it just makes your skin feel so alive. It is just an absolutely perfect spray to just spray onto the skin to finish off your skincare routine. I love it. Honestly, if I had the money and if I could, I would actually buy every single one of these a bottle of that, and I'm not joking. Next product is from NARS and I'm so excited to try this. I have been wanting this product for such a long time, but anyway, and by the way, these products were actually sent to me from Look Fantastic. I actually picked them out myself though, but this is the NARS Radiant Primer and it just looks like so. So that's what it looks like there. It actually looks peachy. So I'm just going to rub that in between my fingers and just spread that onto the skin. And that also has wee beads in it that once you actually start to massage it into the skin, like they kind of burst, let's just say, and that's where the radiance comes from. So then for foundation I have another NARS product, and this is the NARS Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation. This foundation has the most beautiful finish to it. It's so natural looking. It's definitely a buildable foundation, so you can have it more lightweight, or you can actually build it up to be a wee bit more full coverage, but it is just the finish of it that is absolutely beautiful. I do always say build it up so it is full coverage, but with it being built up then to be full coverage to my preference, it still looks breathable. It doesn't look nor feel as if I have this mask of foundation on. Okay, so I've actually just put one layer on. I'm going to give you a wee bit of a close-up of my skin. But as you can see, it has the most beautiful finish. It honestly does. It just is absolutely beautiful on the skin. It just makes your skin look really nice and radiant. I just love it. I absolutely love it. It's definitely one of those foundations that really took me by surprise. I did not think I was going to love it like as much as I do. It is such a perfect foundation, but I have to say it is pricey, so it's not necessarily my everyday foundation, but it is beautiful. It is a beautiful foundation, honestly. So I'm just going to conceal now, and I'm going to be using the Charlotte Tilbury Magic Away Liquid Concealer. I actually just have to twist the bottom of it now, and it just squirts out the top. And I just have to apply it now with this wee brush, because it did come with a wee foam applicator, but it was looking very, very manky, so I just took it off. It was just looking very, very unhygienic. So I'm going to be using the Too Faced Born This Way setting powder. You can also get this on Look Fantastic. They also sell Too Faced products. So I usually bake with my powder puff. Yeah, my powder puff, but I don't have any clean ones at the minute, so I'm just going to bake with this wee powder brush. Then next up for highlight, an oldie but a goodie, I'm going to go in with MAC Soft and Gentle. I used to use this every single day back in the day. I think it was whenever I was a hairdresser and I was working in the salon. I used to use this like literally every single day. I thought it was the best highlight. And I'm just going to apply this with my fan brush. Just disperses the highlight absolutely beautifully over the cheekbones. And then I'm also going to be applying this wee Life's a Peach blush by Sleek, as you one here. I absolutely love the colour of this blush. Like, it looks so scary, but it is just, it's so gorgeous, and I absolutely love blusher in general these days. I do not know what it is, but like say a year ago I literally did not own a blush, but now I'm absolutely obsessed with them. I just kind of find like a blusher can just shape your face the way that a bronzer or a contour actually can. It just does something to your face that I cannot find the word to describe. I'm going to quickly bronze here, and I'm going to be using this one from Bobbi Brown, and this is actually a bronze and powder duo. The bronze and powder is in the shade Golden Light, and then it also has a wee blush beside it. Okay, so I just went off camera there and done the one eye because I still hadn't a clue what I was doing, but I've came up with this situation here, and I've also done my lips as well just to get that done and out of the way so you no longer have to look at my dodgy lips. The first shade I took was this one here. I'm actually just going to be popping this just within the crease, and this is just going to be my transition colour. And I did notice that once I was really building it up, it kind of started to turn a wee bit pink. Kind of like a salmony pink. I'm not too sure how it's going to come off on camera, but I don't know. It's alright actually. So I'm going to be taking the Anastasia Beverly Hills Sultry palette. No, Soft Glam. No, this is the Soft Glam palette, sorry. And I just went in with Burnt Orange. This wee one here. So I'm just going to be taking a tiny wee bit of that shade from the Soft Glam palette, and I'm also going to be running that through my crease. the whole way over. I'm just going to go about halfway. I think that's actually quite a wee bit of a small cut crease. I'm not wanting to do anything too crazy today, so I've kept it quite low, but I've still obviously went slightly above my crease, so I've just exaggerated my crease. And I'm going to be taking this shade here, this pink shade. I'm going to be taking that on a flat brush, and I'm just going to be packing this on. I have to say, I don't know whether it was the P. Louise eye base or what, but I literally felt like I had to literally dig and dig and dig to actually get the full potential of this eyeshadow. I went in with this shade here. It is a wee bit powdery, but nonetheless it is actually a very nice shade. So I'm going to take that on a different brush, and I'm going to pop that starting at the inner corner. I'm just going to press that on. Okay, so obviously because of that was not enough for me, I then went in with this ColourPop Supernova shadow. It's just like a liquid eyeshadow, and I'm just going to start swiping this all over the lid. That is definitely what I was looking for. Like, that is what I expect a shimmer shade to look like. Love it. And I'm just going to give that just a wee pat. And I'm going to take another product from P. Louise, and it's the Vivid Violet colour. And I'm going to pop this in my waterline. I'm going to grab Cyberpunk, this shade here. I know this is a shimmer, but I actually don't mind having a shimmer on the lower lash line sometimes. It can be quite nice. Ooh, yes, I really like that actually. So that's me finished with the eye makeup, and I'm now going to do my lashes. I'm not actually going to wear false lashes for today's makeup look, because I know I wear false lashes in nearly every single makeup look, and I know not everybody wears false lashes, so every now and again I kind of like to and would like to actually do like a makeup tutorial where I'm not actually wearing false lashes. So this is the Eyeshadow Black Magic Mascara. Okay, so that's the finished look, but I'm just going to give my face just another wee spritz with the Caudalie Beauty Elixir. I love this stuff so much. So yeah, you can also use it after your makeup, before, during, throughout the day. It's fabulous. But anyway guys, that's it for this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you so much to Look Fantastic for sponsoring today's video, and also don't forget to check the description box below where I'll have a lovely discount code for you guys. Other than that guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you're all staying safe and well, and I shall see you in my next video.